Alrighty, hello everyone and welcome to my reaction to Hello Boss. We are back with another short named Bigfoot. I don't know if this is like a euphemism or an innuendo. I don't know what to get ready for and prepared for. So I'm going to go in blind. I am hyped. Let's get into another mission. Let's do it. Let's go. That's descriptive. I wonder who sent out this request. Ooh, are these Bigfoot fanatics who are like, let's find out if Bigfoot actually exists or not? Let's make the demons do all the work and then we can show up at the very end and be like, haha, we found Bigfoot, let's go. I mean, hey, that would be clever. If you have seen some organization have success with finding and getting rid of enemies, this is a great way to find said enemies before you can get rid of them or capture them in one way, shape, or form. They are getting captured at the end of it all. Fair. I guess this gives us proof that most scientists are perverted. I mean, why else would you go ahead and try to discover something that wasn't discovered before?
Does your dick need a refill?
No thanks.
Okay.
That guy doesn't get paid enough, okay? He's just like customer service. Whatever, man. Whatever. At this point in time, I am okay with whatever you want to give me. As long as you pay me a good tip at the end of it all, let's do it.
They all act like they know this Sasquatch guy, but then no one's seen him.
Blitz definitely got enamored with the mustache and glasses vibe after the last mission, eh? Like, what's going on, kiddo? What's going on here? Why do you have two of them? He's like, even if one disguise gets caught out, they can't find the second one. They'll probably assume that the second disguise underneath the first disguise is my real face. Probably, I'm guessing. I mean, hey, the assistant secretary couldn't find out the fact that he was suddenly a lizard man at the end of it all. I'm pretty sure she was on par with all the conspiracy theories going on. Like, all the great billionaires and millionaires are lizard people. So she was like, fair, whatever, man. Everyone's just trying to get paid in this economy, which is fair for all of us here.
Something tells me they ain't the observant types.
They gave me like the world's blurriest photograph.
Bigfoot!
Foxy, never do that again. Oh, yeah, ignore that guy. He's insane.
That was a wonderful deduction, Blitz. Step away from anyone who seems extremely suspicious and dangerous with a knife. I mean, I'm pretty sure you understand, considering that you're a knives and guns wielding demons. So, like, hey, fair to kind of be like, you know what? I've seen crazy. I see it every single day in the mirror. I know you crazy. I am not going to engage with you.
I see demons too.
Sasquatch and demons. That's a lot. Why don't we just stick to the first thing for now?
Interesting. I guess if you can sense demons, pretty sure you can sense the Bigfoot. Not the fact that none of them noticed the shadow of the Bigfoot running in the background. Crazy. Pretty sure it's just some random guy wearing like a really big foot to kind of leave impressions and cause chaos. Pull them pranks, kiddo.
Wife disappears on me, run off with a squatch. My brother done died squatching.
Sir, your brother is the Bigfoot. Okay, let's be honest right now. It's your brother. Not even that big of a mystery at this point. Your brother mysteriously disappears along with your wife who got apparently seduced by the Sasquatch. Did you see a body is my question.
Open casket, where's the leg?
Hiding in plain sight, I guess? Blitz can definitely take some tips on disguises from this guy.
Pure poppycock. He's lost his marbles.
Pretty sure he lost his marbles because of you constantly hitting him on the head.
The demons done come to our realm with a magic crystal.
Okay, so he's an all-seeing dude who's not as crazy as he seems. All his conspiracy theories are true and real. And I guess that's one more target that Blitz does not have to go about trying to kill because the mayor quite literally squashed him.
I think this crazy guy might be our best lead.
Coming out of his inbred mouth.
So, it appears you have discovered my secret.
Okay, I guess you didn't try to hide it very well. I mean, hey, you know what he did? He led them right to Whistler's Creek, but also at the same time, none of them figured out his disguise. But also at the same time, all they had was like a blurry photo. So hey, fair. I can understand how they did not recognize who this person was. That the mayor was, in fact, Bigfoot.
You like being naked in the woods?
Oh, yeah! Quite humiliating, I must say.
Oh my god, he reeled it back in so quickly. He was like, oh, you know what? Yeah, that's right. I love being naked. I am the mayor. I am not Bigfoot. Crazy. I mean, according to them who have interacted all kinds of human beings, I'm pretty sure they were like, oh, just a furry loving dude is all I see. Fair. They don't know that's Bigfoot. Until Bigfoot turns around, asks them to follow him into the cave. And then they see the Bigfoot quite literally as a footprint. Crazy. He was like, I will run with this for as long as I can run with this. My cover has not yet blown, even though my clothes have.
That a favor you owe? It's due.
You, Moxie, what the goddamn hell? Why would you do that? Ugh, disgusting. Also, I'm pretty sure the guy with the costume on is the brother. He's potentially trying to get rid of the brother as well. Suspicion the world has about him being Bigfoot. If you get rid of one Bigfoot, no one is going to search for the other Bigfoot. Crazy.
That's just a guy in a suit.
You can literally tell them that, hey, I'm a man. Like, dog, you owed a favor. I get it. I'm pretty sure the mayor took the blame of you running away with the wife. But, like, you can also still be like, hey, I'm a man. Just so you know. Ha ha ha. I mean, hey, anyone who's potentially going to get killed will probably say the exact same thing. So, like,
Oh, nothing gets by you fuckers, does it?
they did not quite literally realize that you are Bigfoot. They are blind sometimes. Let's be honest. All that murdering, the blood went into their eyes so much that they can't see clearly anymore. Or maybe they can only see well in the dark.
And you're fucking right, Mayor.
I know they're dumb, but I'm pretty sure they're not that dumb. So here's what I am guessing, okay? Because if they're that dumb, I can't really do anything about it. But I like cleverness. So I am guessing they got 2 contracts. One for the Bigfoot, one for the guy who ran away with the wife, okay? They got rid of both of them all at the same time, which is what I am assuming. Because I don't think they're that dumb that they're like, ha ha ha, I guess we are going to miss all context clues whatsoever that point to the fact that you are in fact Bigfoot. I would love for them to turn around and just please, please, please.
Fucking lying sack of shit.
About us.
Okay, I guess we at least the yaoi is still strong, I guess. Monster loving 101. All the monster porn girlies in the internet are happy, I guess. I mean, I am not, but like, hey, okay, whatever. Okay. Honestly, I think I would rate this at number 9. I almost loved the previous shot just a tad bit more than this one, I guess. But is there a theme going on? That one was called Big Boss. This one is called Bigfoot. The next one is going to be called Big Hat or something like that. I don't even know, man. Okay, just a tad bit of that weird vibe that is very normal with the Hello Boss world. I was hoping they weren't that dumb, but they are that dumb, I guess. Like missing all context clues whatsoever because they're like, all we know is that there are perverted people who want to find out how big his feet are. So we are done. Back to hell, it seems. Honestly, tell me, what did you think about this particular shot down in the comments below? Because I don't know what to think about it. I am kind of hoping to get a bit more of the Chupacabra vibe. Like that is one of my favorite shots whatsoever. I love that shot and I want to see something of that level. I am not complaining about this. This was chaotic, okay? This was Hello Boss chaotic, but it was also extremely weird. So I'm like, I don't know how to feel about it. If nothing else, at least the waiter knows how big the Bigfoot is. Let me know down in the comments what you thought and I shall see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Toodaloo.